Arnold Schwarzenegger, from bodybuilding legend to global icon. Arnold Schwarzenegger, born on July 30, 1947, in Thal, Austria, is a multifaceted personality known for his extraordinary achievements in bodybuilding, acting, and politics. His journey from a small village in Austria to becoming a global icon in Hollywood and the governor of California is a remarkable story of ambition, determination, and success. Early life and bodybuilding career. 1. Early life. Arnold Schwarzenegger was born to Gustav Schwarzenegger, a local police chief, and Aurelia Jadroni. Raised in a strict household, Arnold developed a strong work ethic and discipline from an early age. He discovered his passion for bodybuilding at the age of 14. Though rise in bodybuilding, Schwarzenegger's dedication to bodybuilding led him to win the Junior Mr. Europe contest in 1965. At 20, he became the youngest Mr. Universe, and by 1970, he won his first Mr. Olympia title. His remarkable physique, charismatic personality, and relentless drive helped him dominate the sport, earning a total of 7 Mr. Olympia titles between 1970 and 1980. Transition to Hollywood. 1. Early struggles. Schwarzenegger's transition to Hollywood was not without challenges. With his thick Austrian accent and muscular build, he was initially deemed unsuitable for leading roles. However, his determination paid off when he landed his first significant role in Hercules in New York, 1970. Though breakthrough with Conan the Barbarian, Arnold's breakthrough came with Conan the Barbarian, 1982, where his physique and screen presence were perfectly suited for the role. The film's success established him as a rising star in Hollywood. Theme. The Terminator franchise. Schwarzenegger's role as the titular character in The Terminator, 1984, became iconic. Directed by James Cameron, the film's success led to sequels where Arnold's portrayal of the cybernetic assassin-turned-hero became a cultural phenomenon. The line, "I'll be back," became one of the most famous catchphrases in cinema history. Hollywood stardom. 1. Blockbuster hits. Throughout the 1980 and 1990, Schwarzenegger starred in a series of blockbuster films, including Commando, 1985, Predator, 1987, Total Recall, 1990, and True Lies, 1994. His unique blend of action, charisma, and occasional humor made him a beloved action star. Though comedy roles. Demonstrating his versatility, Schwarzenegger successfully ventured into comedy with films like Twins, 1988, Kindergarten Cop, 1990, and Junior, 1994. His ability to deliver comedic performances broadened his appeal to diverse audiences. Political career. 1. Governor of California. Arnold Schwarzenegger entered politics in 2003, running as a Republican candidate in the recall election for Governor of California. His campaign focused on fiscal conservatism, environmental issues, and economic reform. Schwarzenegger won the election and served as the Governor of California from 2003 to 2011. Though policy initiatives. As governor, Schwarzenegger implemented various policies, including environmental initiatives like the Global Warming Solutions Act of 2006, aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions. He also worked on infrastructure projects, healthcare reform, and budgetary issues, striving to balance the state's fiscal challenges. Theme. Post-governorship. After leaving office, Schwarzenegger continued to be active in public life. He founded the Schwarzenegger Institute for State and Global Policy at the University of Southern California and remained a vocal advocate for environmental issues and political reform. Personal life and legacy. 1. Personal life. Arnold Schwarzenegger married Maria Shriver, a journalist and member of the Kennedy family, in 1986. They have 4 children together. Despite their separation in 2011, Schwarzenegger remains committed to his family and philanthropic endeavors. Though philanthropy and advocacy. Schwarzenegger has been involved in various philanthropic activities, including supporting the Special Olympics and founding the After School All-Stars program, which provides educational support to children. His advocacy for fitness and healthy living continues to inspire people worldwide. Theme. Cultural impact. Arnold Schwarzenegger's impact on popular culture is immense. His contributions to bodybuilding revolutionized the sport, inspiring countless individuals to pursue fitness. In Hollywood, he set new standards for action stars, and his political career demonstrated his versatility and commitment to public service. His autobiography, Total Recall: My Unbelievably True Life Story, published in 2012, offers insights into his multifaceted life and achievements. Arnold Schwarzenegger's journey from a small village in Austria to global stardom and political leadership is a testament to his extraordinary ambition, resilience, and talent. His contributions to bodybuilding, cinema, and public service have left an indelible mark on each field. Schwarzenegger's legacy as a bodybuilder, actor, politician, and philanthropist continues to inspire and influence generations worldwide. His life story is a powerful reminder that with determination and hard work, one can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness.